This is the biggest misconception about insulin resistance. If you're also told that you have insulin resistance and you are given some kind of medication, some kind of supplement in order to manage it, then you need to first understand what exactly is insulin resistance, why it happens. So insulin works as a key to the cells of your body, and it attaches itself to the sugar molecules which are lying in the blood to help enter the sugar within the cells of your body so that your cells can consume it and convert it into energy. So now what is this condition of insulin resistance? So when you have so much of fat content inside of your blood vessels, that means you're eating a lot of fat in your diet, and that fat takes longer time to digest and longer time to get absorbed inside of your body. So what it does, the greasiness of the fat starts to store outside of the cells of your body. So now the sugar which entered into the blood cells cannot enter because there is a thick layer of fat or greasiness outside of the cells of your body. And now you will experience sugar spikes, you will experience insulin spikes, and you think that this is something bad, and now you want to suppress it by taking some medication, by taking some supplement. And secondly, it happens due to you being in fight and flight situations. You create these flight and flight situations so much within your body starts to think that you're going through some dangerous situation, and it wants to protect you. When you're going through constant stress, constant anxiety, and constant turmoil of your emotions and your thoughts, that itself creates the situation of fight and flight. And that means your body needs more energy in order to deal with such situations. So your liver will now start releasing more and more sugar, and in order to make that sugar digested within the cells of your body, insulin will also be released. And you think that that is something dangerous, that is something bad, and you try to suppress it by taking medication. And your body has to keep on producing more and more sugar, more and more insulin to keep you safeguard. Because you keep on making your body believe that it is going through some dangerous situation by constantly stressing and by constantly feeling contracted within your body. Most of the people think that your body is stupid, it doesn't know anything. It is producing sugar and insulin just like this without any kind of reason. And you think that you are smarter than your body. And in your smartness, the approach that you take further fiddle with your hormones. When your body was just responding to the metabolic condition that you have created by yourself. So instead of suppressing the condition that your body is creating in order to safeguard you, you should remove the actual cause why it is happening.